I never wanted to be a teacher. I was fully aware all growing up that teaching was a hard job. I never wanted to do it. I was never the girl that like had the stuffed animals to teach with. Like, I never wanted to be a teacher. But one summer during college, I took some time off and I volunteered in an orphanage in Romania. And while I was there, I realized I am the best version of myself when I'm around children. And I was like, oh, I should probably try and be a good person. I think I need to be a teacher. And that was like a whole thing I had to decide on and come to. But so it wasn't like a person rather than like a group of children who I was like, oh, like I think this is what I need to do. I am a big believer that people learn when they feel like they have a relationship with someone. So I think the qualities that an educator needs to have is the ability to like be kind, and they need to be understanding. Because if someone knows that you love them, if someone knows that I'm here for you, like I'm trying to have a relationship with you, they will want to learn from you and they will want to try. I would hope that I've taught them to be a lifelong reader. I am such an advocate for, if you can be a reader for life, it opens up doors for the rest of your life. I hope I show them that it doesn't matter how you read, if it's an audiobook, if it's a graphic novel, if it's just something that like you listen to while you drive, like it doesn't matter. But if you are a lifelong reader, you're set up for life. I hope that's what I've taught them. How do I motivate my students to become active learners in the classroom? I think a big part of it is I don't lie to my students about why we're learning something. When it's time to work through a unit, I tell them like, this is how it's applied in the real world. This is how you would use it. This is how we take what we're learning in the classroom and it becomes something important later in life. So my students are very aware of why we're learning it and that there's skills that they need to know. It's not just a hoop that we're jumping through, but these are things that you need to build a beautiful life. And we have that conversation all the time.